Fantasy Talking, realistic talking portrait generation by.
Imagine turning a single photo into a dynamic, speaking avatar. Welcome to the world of Fantasy Talking. Developed by the Fantasy AMAP team, Fantasy Talking is an open-source project that brings static portraits to life using cutting-edge AI. It works through a smart two-stage process. First, it aligns the audio with global head and facial movements. Then, it refines the lip motions for accurate and realistic speech synchronization. The result is a highly expressive and natural-looking animated face. Unlike live portrait, Fantasy Talking doesn't rely on a reference video to mimic facial movements. And unlike latent sync, it's not limited to just generating lip sync for videos. Fantasy Talking goes a step further. It not only provides accurate lip synchronization, but also adds hand gestures to make the animation feel more natural and expressive. Once you have everything set up, you can simply choose a photo and a voice clip. Fantasy Talking will generate a lifelike talking video that moves and speaks in sync with your audio. Now let's take a look at the ComfyUI workflow. We're using the WAN 2.1 quantized model along with the Fantasy Talking models. First, we load the image and audio. We already have the image and audio uploaded. You'll notice the default settings show 81 frames and a frame rate of 23 FPS. We'll go with the default for now and click Run to generate the video. The process takes some time, but once complete, we can view the initial result.
Fantasy Talking, realistic talking portrait generation by.
As you can see, the video is only about 3 seconds long and lacks any hand movement. So let's go back and adjust the settings. This time, we uploaded another image and changed the aspect ratio. The frame has been updated to 127 and add a prompt in the text box that includes hand motion. We also increased the CFG scale to 9 to encourage more expressive motion. After applying these settings, we run the process again. Now, let's take a look at the final result.
A person giving a speech with natural hand gestures, one hand slightly raised with palm open.
The synchronization is much better, and the hand movement is clearly improved.
A person giving a speech with natural hand gestures, one hand slightly raised with palm open.
Fantasy Talking has huge potential for content creators, educators, storytellers, and anyone who wants to create personalized video avatars. Want to see it in action? Head over to the GitHub page and explore the examples. If you're into AI or animation, this is a project you don't want to miss. Check it out and start creating your own talking portraits today.